Okay, here we are back in Dollar Point. I just had to film my silly license plate there for a sec. This is Whitney Court. Dollar Point has a few of these courts right off of Observation Drive. Observation Drive is the main road down to the lake from the main entrance and pool and upper tennis courts and all that stuff. So this home here is for sale for $2.5. This is 85 Whitney. And this is a rub right off the bat, unfortunately, is that you've got this neighbor who's very, very close. I mean, these roofs are only, from that roof to that one is maybe 20 feet. Got beautiful cedars here, but then their living area, you know, that's their deck down to the left. And then main living probably off of their kitchen and whatnot, where the barbecue is right there. So that's tight. However, this house here, 85, does live entirely in this direction toward the lake view. So big airlock entryway. Home is being sold mostly furnished. There are 2 steps down into the living room. From this upper level, your view is blocked by that beam that goes across the front. So let's step down and let you see this view. So this is nice. That's Squaw Alpine that direction. Westerly. And then it's a broad lake view. Nice broad lake view. And then here's the rest of the living area and kitchen area, plus just a little overflow room right there. Got some dustable storage up there. Oh, this chandelier is huge, by the way. This thing's like 6-foot radius, or excuse me, diameter. Okay, so let's get another look at this. Little fish bowley here, a lot of houses, but also a good amount of Lake Tahoe. Super quiet street as well here on Whitney. Small, short cul-de-sac street. North Shore condos over that way. You're on the edge of Dollar Point here. Homewood, Quail Face, Tlack right in the middle there. Job's Peak, Heavenly down that way. So yeah, neighbors there. You can see a lot of them. And then that's the front near the driveway right there. All right, let's go back in. Oh, by the way, looks like they put in this corrugated roofing material underneath the floor of this deck so that the deck below where the hot tub is, that shouldn't have any dripping, which is very smart. I did notice that the roof is a wood shake roof, so I definitely want to look into insurance before getting too far with this one. So nice river rock fireplace there, beautiful ironwork. And it's funny, when I mentioned the house is sold furnished, there's too much furniture in here. So the spaces are not big, and the way they have the furniture in here, it lives smaller than it could. And check it out, we got some cool, fun, interesting toilet colors in here. Not sure if those are your favorite colors, but nonetheless, they're here. You'll see a green one down in the master down below. Garage access is right here off the kitchen. Oh, let's go to the kitchen view. This will be a good one. I always love scoping sink views, and this one is way up high on the list. That's a very good kitchen sink view. And look, they're smart with this, letting the light through. And they're southerly on the south side of the kitchen where those glasses go. Right through here is the garage. So you got immediate and level access, which is nice. Making good use of the space in here. All right, so as you've noticed, no bedrooms on this floor. So 4 bedrooms downstairs. Oops, I'm going the wrong way, excuse me. This way. Go this direction first, and then we'll end up at the master. Love the posters. I think these people are really cool. They have some really fun stuff. An obvious guest room here. No decor. Little deck right there. Peak lake views. Let's make this thing focus, or make it exposed properly. So it's pretty nice sky and lake view for just an ancillary bedroom. So bedroom off the back here with a view of the neighbor's yard. And this one's a suite. It's got a bathroom here. Strange shape, and again, you can see all the furniture, as I mentioned before. Bathroom here. Garden tub type shower there. Double sink. So that's 3 bedrooms. And then now, right here, obvious example of too much furniture. There's just mounted TV there. But another nice river rock fireplace here. And now you can see that hot tub level with what's hopefully a drip proof ceiling. I'm sure it is. And then this is the main master. Call that a beginner walk-in. Decent size, but not big. Double sink vanities. And then here she is. The green toilet I promised. But I didn't tell you about this. Or that. Corner windows, I'm a huge fan of these. They really bring the outdoors in. Plus a shower here. The master, it's a hammock view master. Sorry, I'm being funny. It's toward the end of the day. Again, too much stuff. This hammock needs to go away. But anyway, it's here. And this is a nice deck. Funky. But nice size. And then down here they have some fencing. I assume that's because they have a dog and they want to let it outside without having to worry about it running off. All right, so this is 85 Whitney. It's currently listed at $2.5 million. Feel free to reach out for more information on this house or to come see it in person or anything else. I've got tons of videos of dollar point houses, lakeview houses, lakefront houses, all sorts of stuff on the North Shore and West Shore. Thank you so much for visiting the Big Blue Lake.